Imprinting, the process by which an animals from an association with another animals or object in the environment during sensitive periods of life is called imprinting. It is a kind of phase sensitive learning. Learning occurs at particular life stages and in it is rapid and independent of consequences of behavior. It was used to describe situation in an animals or person, learn characteristics of some stimuli. Types of imprinting. It has different types. Filial imprinting. The best known of imprinting is filial imprinting. In this imprinting, a young animal's narrow its social performance to an object due to exposure to the object. It is most obvious in nidiphosis birds which live in the nest after hatching. They imprinting on their parents and then follow them around. It was recorded in domestic chicken. It was first discovered by early ethologist Oscar Hinroth. Types of the demonstration. Lawrence demonstrated that incubated hatch geese imprinting on first moving stimuli themselves. It occurs in critical periods 13 to 16 hours shortly after hatching. For example, geese seeing imprints on Lawrence himself. Lawrence also found that geese can imprinting or moving objects in one experiments, they follow box placed on model train in circular round track. Sexual imprinting. One form of learning situated in the context of male choice in sexual imprinting. In sexual imprinting, young individuals learn mating performance preference for their interaction with adult. Example: male zebra prefer to mate with appearance of female birds that rear them. B. Non-human mammals or birds develop sexual attraction for human as an result of sexual imprinting. Sexual imprinting is commonly occurs in faculty birds, but birds are rare from hatching by humans. Such birds are called imprinting. The breeder has a special hat pockets. He let the mate birds copulate with their head and copulate catching male birds' semen. Methods developed to study sexual imprinting. Cross-fostering approaches. In these cases, imprinting the offsprings are raised by adoptive parents. Such offspring show different mating performance than those raised by biological parents. We examine such performance are linked to something about behavior of adopt person. Novel trait approaches. In these approaches, offsprings are raised by parents that have some novel trait. Novel trait approach such a many kinds birds. In groups, several are controlled. It offspring raised with their mother and father. Both mother and father lack red feather. In group 2, offspring were raised with their mother and father. Each has a red-headed feathers attached to forehead. In group 3, offspring were raised with their mother with no feathers, but feathers was with red feathers. In group 4, offsprings were raised with feather with no feather, but mother